Hello, my name is Amok. I am going to show you a Dutch castle, Groeneveld Castle. I went there yesterday. If you want to go there, it is near Hilversum. Castle Groeneveld was built around 1710 by Marquis Manchet. Originally, it was surrounded by gardens laid out in the French style, but these were redesigned in the 18th century to form an English landscape park. The park at Castle Groeneveld still ranks as one of the most beautiful in Holland. Since 1981, Castle Groeneveld has been home to the National Center for Woodland, Wildlife and Landscape. I hope you enjoyed the video. Muizen House op Zolder. Another attraction is mice houses in the attic of Castle Groeneveld. There are some rooms of the house from the popular book by Carina Scapman recreated. Experience the life of a mouse in a castle during the mission trip through the mouse house. This is interesting for the kids of age between 4 to 8 years. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now see you later. Bye.